Hi there! Welcome to the Vtiger PDF Maker tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how you can create personalized PDF templates for your Vtiger CRM based on your business needs. Let's dive right in. To get started, let's access the extension. Navigate to the main menu and click on Tools. From there, select PDF Maker. This powerful tool allows you to craft unique templates for various Vtiger modules, including contacts, organizations, products, and inventory modules such as invoices, quotes, sales orders, and purchase orders. While PDF Maker provides some handy predefined templates, you have the flexibility to modify them according to your business requirements. First, select the module you want to design a PDF template. I chose the Invoice module. Now, click on Edit to individually edit your header, body, and footer sections. In the body section, add general information like the PDF name. Activate your template by ticking the checkboxes and providing a description. You can further customize by adding fields through the List View block. Move on to the Company Information section. Here, you can input details such as the company name, address, website, logo, and more. Simply place your cursor in the desired spot on the template and choose the relevant field to include in your PDF. You can add as many fields as needed. Don't forget to include terms and conditions. Additionally, you can add general fields like the current date and time information. Select barcodes from the drop-down menu to enhance your PDF further. Let's move back to the product section of the PDF template. Define the start and end blocks for product listing and place your cursor accordingly. In the product field, select the relevant product details you want to include in your PDF. Now I'll add the product name. Next, proceed to the header-footer section. Here, select the variables you want to include to give your PDF a polished look. Finally, head over to the Settings tab. PDF Maker allows you to set page orientation. Choose between landscape or portrait mode. Select the page format, A3, A4, or A5 according to your preference. Typically, PDFs are in A4 format. Set your page margins and, once satisfied, click Save. Fantastic. Your PDF template is now successfully created. Return to the Invoice module in the Inventory section to use it. In the detailed view of the record, click on the PDF Maker option. Here, select the template, and now you can easily export the PDF, download your PDF for hard copies, or send it directly to your customer via email. You can also save it to Vtiger documents, edit the template directly from the detailed view, and export as needed. And there you have it. Downloading the PDF is as easy as clicking Export to PDF. Now, you can effortlessly create your own PDF templates for quotes, sales orders, purchase orders, leads, contacts, opportunities, and more. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.